In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates from a count in an Excel pivot table. When you're working with a pivot table, you might notice that Excel often counts every record, including duplicates. That can be a problem if, for example, you only want to know how many unique customers you had, not how many total transactions were recorded. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to change your pivot table so it counts distinct values instead of counting all duplicates. First, open your Excel file and make sure your data is set up as a proper table, or at least as a clean range with headers in the first row. Each column should have a clear label, such as customer, date, product, or amount. This helps Excel recognize your fields correctly when you build or edit the pivot table. Next, click anywhere inside your existing pivot table. When you do this, Excel will show the pivot table specific options in the ribbon at the top of the screen. You should see something like Pivot Table Analyze and Design, along with the Pivot Table Fields panel, usually on the right side. In the Pivot Table Fields panel, locate the field that you're currently using for your count. For example, it might be a customer ID or an email column that you're counting. You'll typically see this field in the Values area with something like Count of Customer next to it. Click the small drop-down arrow next to that field name in the Values area, then choose Value Field Settings. A new window will appear, and this is where you control how Excel summarizes that data. By default, it's usually set to count. If you're using a more recent version of Excel and your data source is formatted as a proper table or data model, you should see an option called Distinct Count. Select Distinct Count, then click OK. Once you do that, your pivot table will update automatically. Instead of counting every row, including duplicates, it will now count only unique values in that field. This is how you remove duplicates from the count. If you don't see the Distinct Count option, you may need to add your data to the data model when creating the pivot table, or convert your range to a table and recreate the pivot using that source. After that, repeat the same value field settings step and choose Distinct Count. And that's it. You've now adjusted your pivot table so it reports unique counts, giving you a much more accurate view of your data.